internet.
We're using the internet, some technology, searching it on Google. So we typed in the meaning of spiritual into the, so it shows that it is an adjective relating to or affecting the human spirit or soul as a.
Let's take another word. If any of you are listening, you will learn. If you're a spiritual teacher, you'll have another approach. Let's
also an act, because you have to make decisions in life, obviously, and you have to direct your life the way you want. So God, a person, or a principle.
Now, when you get into that and you're talking to this word, human being, now if you're running around judging with your eyes, talking about this, talking about you're the only one that does this, that, the other thing, all of you can receive it. Doesn't matter how educated you are, doesn't matter where you are, doesn't matter what you're wearing. What is the meaning of your spiritual? You take a breath in. That's your meaning. That does not mean it's right. When it comes to spirituality, a lot of people are scared to talk to someone because they're in this religious belief, there's a victim someplace. A lot of people are running around looking for this $25, $30 thing, which is nice to play games in this spot, that spot. 365 days, 365 acupressure points.
You feel, and also the things that you perceive, because that is just a program. So how do you really go about life in a neutral way, inspire others, and other people blossom and bloom because of the words? But you have to understand, really, no matter who you are, what industry, spiritual practice applies, no matter what it is. You have to have the routine, and also the self-stillness. The breath of sin, getting rid of the shame and the guilt on the heart, where does it stem from, and how do you live in the moment beyond anxiety and illnesses that do accumulate throughout the life? You have to take care of yourself now in this moment, every single thing. Your possibilities are totally endless, trying to achieve. Sometimes you do have to spend money, and most of the time you do. And it's a good thing. It's a frequency. It's a give. Are born into it. Some people grab onto it and hold onto it. Some people just have it always flowing because they understand the divine law. Limit the influences that really don't make you feel good in your life, whether it's virtually or it's in the person. You have to make